Hey guys, so just want to hop on here right before you start this video. So I didn't really go into detail about what I did to the bike. So just to give you some background, I did the UpMap. So it has a new tune, but it has the tune for the Mivv low mount exhaust with no dB killer, and the Velocity Stacks upgrade by Gabro Racing, as well as a new Sprint air filter. So between those three things that I changed, this is my first reaction video. So take a look. It's kind of hard for me to focus on riding and then also trying to like explain it as I ride. So anyway, it's more like a moto vlog type deal. Just a little clip of my first impressions, but I will say I'm super stoked on this new mods and the new map. Really woke up the bike, so stay tuned and check it out.
Going? Okay, we're recording. So I'm gonna give it my honest review now that I got the new exhaust. Oh shit. Well, it's a lot more intense now that it's so loud. But I definitely feel there's some power increase. Some initial torque. Yeah, so basically what I did, I got, oh my god, it's so loud. Holy shit, it is faster. Sorry, I was trying to explain, but it's taking all my focus. Holy shit. Yeah, big difference. Way more power. Like instant torque, I mean. Like top end, I don't know, I was on the main roads, not the twisties. Couldn't really tell a huge difference, but there's no like reference point to really compare it to. But once you're in the twisties on a road that you're familiar with, you can really tell how quicker it is. So I think you know, I just started on this ride, but I think we'll have a good overall positive review for how much money I spent. Because it is expensive for doing all this shit. What's noticeably the... Wow. I got the quick shifter and auto blipper installed, and that is just a game changer. Survey crew. Hello, survey crew. Yeah, sure sounds good. Yeah, I feel so far the power is coming to me in the low end. Wow. Yeah. There used to be this dead spot, and it's not there. Yeah. So like, it's hard to say. Certain range, certain RPM range, you really notice it. Oh my god, like right there, second gear, 6,000, it rips. Like perfect passing gear. my god, knee down right away. Yeah. Enough to wait. So, oh yeah, I think it's worth it. I think it's definitely worth it. And the twisties, you notice it. I love that auto blipper. That's just a cheat code. Let me go, let me go. Where are you gonna go? Okay. Yeah, I noticed most of that improvement in the lower to mid range. Way more torque in that range. Definitely got to be more careful if you're not running traction control. That's what I'm first impressions. Because as soon as you want to get out of a turn and hop on power, you gotta be ready for that. Yes, sir. That's gonna come in handy.
Alrighty guys, so you made it to the end of the video. I realized making this video that I didn't even really talk about the improvements on the bike, so just want to sneak that in and kind of inform anyone who's interested in, you know, doing the tune, what to expect. So for power and torque increases, you can expect to see that in the lower to mid RPM range. I didn't notice a huge improvement in the top end, but there was definitely some gains to be had. I just couldn't really tell you. My butt dyno tells me that the mid and or the lower and middle RPM range is where you feel it the most. I mean, it really increases the torque. You feel it. And I was surprised. I didn't actually think it would improve it that much. So very pleasantly surprised, and you know, it makes the effort worth it for sure. So if you're thinking about it, you can expect, you know, that power and that torque increase, and takes off that dead spot that I was talking about. And if you have this bike, you probably understand what I'm talking about with the dead spot. Around 6,000 to 7,000 RPM, power band just stops, plateaus. You don't have that problem anymore. So it not only fixes it, but kind of even fills in and gives you more power in that area. So exactly what you want on that bike, and it's just a blast. So definitely go ahead and do it. It's a lot of money, but there's all types of options available for you, so whatever fits your budget. I went for the more cheaper side of things. The Mivv was like kind of the cheaper option, so also looks, in my opinion, the best. So anyways guys, safe riding. Thanks for watching. Peace.